Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you're all fine there. Students, today we are going to do another important topic of chapter number 2. In this topic, we will discuss different ways through which viruses, worms, and adware spread from one computer to another. So let's start our today's lecture. Students, it's week 11 and lecture number 1, and we are going to do different ways through which viruses, worms, and adware spread from one computer to another. Learning objects are, by the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand how viruses, worms, and adware spread through one computer to another. Students will also be able to understand what are different types of security threats. A virus, worms, and adware can spread through infected flash drives or disks, email attachments, surfing insecure websites, and installing pirated software. These are 4 factors through which virus, worms, and adware spread from one computer to another. So let's discuss these factors one by one. First of all, infected flash drives or disks. Flash drives and disks are the main source of spreading viruses among computers. Once an infected flash drive or a disk is connected to a healthy computer, it becomes infected with viruses. In this way, virus spread from one computer to another. This is the first factor. Now we move to the second factor, that is email attachments. What is an email attachment? An email attachment is a file that can be sent with an email from one computer to other. An email virus is a computer code sent as an email attachment. If activated, it may cause some harmful effect, such as destroying certain files on the hard disk. This is the second factor. Now move to the third factor, that is surfing insecure websites. A website that is set up to spread a virus or for some other unethical purpose is an insecure website. And what are the consequences of an insecure website? These insecure websites attempt to automatically access the computer when users visit them, install adware that may cause a flurry of pop-ups to appear on the screen. This is the third factor. And the fourth and last factor is installing pirated software. What are pirated software? Software which has been duplicated and distributed without authorization is called pirated software. Pirated software may be faulty or loaded with malware and may contain viruses. Pirated software products may be used to steal personal information, load a computer with viruses, or engage in activities which can harm the computer. Student, I hope you understand all these factors which are responsible for spreading viruses and worms from one computer to another. In the next lecture, we will do another topic of this chapter. Until then, thank you and Allah Hafiz.